Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. Now before we get started guys, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe down below to see more content, and let's jump right into it. So first things first, we'll start off with the key. You have your lock, unlock, panic button, and remote start features. See up front on the ZR2, we have the Chevrolet flow tie, ZR2 badging all the way around. Nice black grille with this black kind of stuck on hood scoop up there. Got LEDs in the headlights. So you have your two red tow hooks with this huge underbody skid plate. You also have these giant Goodyear Wrangler tires. These are the Territory MTs. You do have the Multimatic suspension on here. You have your rock sliders on the side. You can also see underneath, you do have more skid plates underneath as well to protect everything under there. ZR2 badging on the back. Same tires and suspension setup in the back. You can see you have the Multimatic DSSV adaptive suspension there. Single exhaust tip. You do have your parking sensors in the back. More ZR2 badges and the Chevrolet stamped logo on the tailgate. We'll go ahead and open this up. Comes down nice and easy. Spray in bed liner in the back with the ZR2 logo. You do have your tie downs all the way around. You also do have an outlet back here, so 120 volt outlet if you need to plug anything up. Another cool feature about this tailgate is it does have the measurements along here, so you can see how many inches you have. You can also open this up to use as a cooler or for extra storage. It does have a drain plug right there as well. So just in case you need more storage for the back, you can lock that back by sliding this over to the right. And tailgate's super light, really easy to lift up and down. You have all of your towing hookups back here. You do have a 4-pin and a 6-pin connector. And this is where you fill up your gas at. You can just push on this to open it up. Easy fill gas cap, so you don't need to worry about screwing on a cap. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat. So for the ZR2, you do have the yellow stitching accented all the way around. Yellow seat belts on this is a $50 option from the factory, so you can get black seat belts or the yellow seat belts. These seats also do lift up with this lever right here. So let me pull up on that. So that's what's underneath the seats. You have more storage. All of these are to get your spare tire and all that stuff out from underneath the vehicle. Let's go ahead and put this back down. Take a step inside. So pretty good space for a mid-sized truck back here. I'm about 6 foot tall, and we do have a divot in the roof for extra headroom, which is nice. Definitely need that. Headroom is pretty limited. This is about my eye level right now. So you have your vents back here as well as your phone hookups. You got storage behind the seats. Also do have a 3-prong connector down there. 2 cup holders for the back seat with a phone holder or card holder or whatever you want to call it. But yellow stitching all the way around the headrest, in the seats as well. You do have this sliding rear glass window that is manual. But not the best room, but it gets the job done. Not bad for a mid-sized truck. And we'll go ahead and take a look up front. You also do have the lock and unlock on the doors as well. So you have all of your window controls, mirror controls, all of your memory seat adjustments. So you have 2 different settings and an exit setting, lock and unlock. But same thing up here, yellow seat belts. The driver's side is power. So you can go forwards, backwards, up, down. You can also tilt the seat as well. And you do have your lumbar controls. But let's go ahead and take a step inside. Let's put our foot on the brake, hit the start button, and she comes to life. So first things first, we'll start off with the steering wheel. You have all of your cruise control buttons right here. You also do have your forward collision settings that are adjustable as well. Heated steering wheel. This just changes the display. So you can change that as well. I'll let it load up for a little bit. This touchscreen is a little slow to load up, unfortunately, but it's all a work in progress. But you can see here, you have all of your RPMs, all of your temperatures. You can see if you're in 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive, park, reverse, neutral, drive, L, all of that good stuff. And then this is a different menu, so I'm using that button. You can see your pitch and roll adjustments for off-roading, which is super cool. This is just your basic screen, and this is the main screen. So a lot of different adjustments you can have up here. You can also have the Google Maps in the touchscreen as well while you're driving. But really nice, very adjustable screen. Really nice to see in this truck. Behind the steering wheel, on the left side, you could turn your volume up or down. And on the right side, you can scroll through your presets up and down. But really nice looking steering wheel. It has the black Chevrolet bow tie in the center. You can also see we do have some nice yellow accents as well as the black camo around the AC vents. You can open or close those by twisting them. You also do have your trailer brake controller down there at the bottom. You have your rear differential lockers as well as the front and rear. Automatic stop start, so if you stop at a stoplight, it'll cut the vehicle off. You could turn that off by pressing that. Hazards, lane keep assist. That auxiliary port is for the plug-in back there, that 120 volt that I showed you. This button right here will roll all the windows down at one time. So if you hit that, everything just comes down just like that, but you have to manually put them back up. You can see you have dual zone climate control, so this side can be different from the driver's side. You also do have cooled and heated seats on the driver and passenger side. All of your AC vents right here. More black camo with a wireless charging pad. All of your phone hookups as well. You can see we have our shifters, so there's a button on the front. You just pull on that. Put in reverse, neutral, drive, and L mode. When you're in L mode, you can shift up or down by pushing these buttons on the side. And you can also see we have the surround view cameras. So you can see in front of you, behind you. You also do have your zoomed in views, parallel parking views, and you can turn the surround view on or off. There is also a setting to see the rear hitch. You can also see underneath the vehicle, which is really cool if you're off-roading, so you can make sure no rocks or anything is hitting it. So that's for the front, this is for the back. We have multiple camera views, so this is the front and back if you're off-roading. But tons of cameras on this vehicle. You also do have the trailer line, so if you're hooking up a trailer, that makes it nice and easy to hook it up with. And this one is for parking in parking spots. So really nice camera system on this vehicle. Tons of different views. We also do have Bose audio and a little bit of storage behind the screen all the way around, so the speaker system sounds great. We have our audio, which is our AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth radio. We do have built-in Google Maps, like I said. All of your phones, you can set up different trailer profiles. You can use the Google Play Store. All of our climate controls, settings, and a ton of other features on this. You can also go in air down mode, which will air down the tires. You also do have your off-road settings. So we have Baja, terrain, overlanding, whatever you need to do. This thing is just built for the ultimate off-road capability. You can also see here, you can see our exact location with our coordinates, which is super cool. We also do have our four-wheel drive controls, so you have 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. You can also put it in automatic mode, so it'll flip through 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive as needed. Electronic parking brake, we do have a couple cup holders here with that black camo at the bottom. Center console with yellow stitching. Go ahead and pull this out, so you can see we have another phone hookup down there. ZR2 logo in the dash, but super nice interior. This truck won Truck of the Year for 2023 and 2024, and you can obviously see why. There's nothing else like this out there. Really nice seats up front. We also do have a sunroof in this one, so you can open that by pushing this button and it'll open up for you. And you can also close it back. Have our map lights, OnStar controls, all of that stuff up here as well. You can also just tilt up the sunroof if you want to do that. But we'll go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look around the vehicle one last time so you can get a good look at the outside as well as take a look at the window sticker. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. This truck is freaking awesome. You know, can't go wrong with the white color at all, but really want to see what you guys have to say about it. We'll also take a look at the window sticker. So this one is a 2023 Colorado four-wheel drive ZR2 crew cab. Summit white with a jet black and Artemis interior. This has the 2.7 liter four-cylinder turbo high output with the automatic transmission. Base price of the ZR2 is $46,800, but this has the ZR2 convenience package, sunroof, technology package, Bose audio, and the underbody cameras with the yellow seat belts. So with destination charge, MSRP comes out to $52,785. With this motor, you're gonna get 16 city, 16 highway. It's all the same gas mileage. And here's the whole window sticker if you guys wanna pause the video and take a look at it. But as always, I appreciate you guys watching this video very much. There's gonna be some more videos popping up in the corners here. So if you guys like those, make sure you guys click on them and check them out. But that's all for now, and I'll see you guys next time.